Welcome to my channel Gosia Art Home Cooking. Today I like to show you how to make fantastic and delicious summer dessert peach cobbler, and I hope you enjoy. For the cobbler recipe I need 4 cups of peaches. I have fresh peaches preserves with the heavy juice, and 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of sugar, 3/4 of cup milk, 1 egg, 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla, 1 teaspoon baking soda and 1 teaspoon of baking powder, pinch of salt, and 1 stick of butter will be 4 ounces. And let's go started. First step, a very simple cobbler recipe. Stick of butter, just put in a baking pan to melt. I put in an oven for a few minutes. First I will mix wet ingredients, egg, I will add milk, 3/4 of cup of milk, sugar, and 1 cup of flour, so simple. You just a little mix and we'll be done. Now I will add a little bit, pinch 1/4 of teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, baking soda, 1 teaspoon, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Very quick dessert. Combine and it's done. You don't have to overmix, you don't have to spend much time, just few minutes and it's done. The butter is melt. I will pour this into my melting bar. I try to pour in the middle. Yes, everything, and just pour everything. Perfect. And next step, peaches with the heavy syrup. I make preserve this year, so I have fresh in the jars. Okay, and the juice pour over. Perfect. Cobbler is so far done. Now I will bake for about 55 minutes and temperature 350 degrees. And when peach cobbler is in the oven, I will bake 350 degrees for 55 minutes. Looks like the cobbler is done. Let's go check. Whew. It looks beautiful, nice and brown. It's magic cake. course, butter was on the bottom, now it's on the top. Okay, it's done. So turn off the oven. Cobbler is so hot, so I have to wait about 15 minutes before I will serve. The peach cobbler looks so delicious. Very simple recipe, perfect summer dessert. So much for watching today's video. If you like this recipe, please comment, like, share with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified about my new video. I have so many delicious recipes on my channel. Be sure to check them out. And see you soon, my friends, on my next episode. Dziękuję bardzo, smacznego, bye bye!